Living in Miami means dealing with hot, humid weather and plenty of sunshine nearly year-round. That's why having energy-efficient windows isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Many homeowners don't realize how much their old or poorly installed windows can affect their home's comfort and energy bills. If you're thinking about replacing your windows, here's how this investment can dramatically improve your home's energy efficiency in Miami. Keep the heat outside where it belongs. Miami's summer heat can be brutal, and old windows often do a poor job of blocking it out. Over time, the seals around windows can break down, and single-pane glass simply can't stand up to the floor of the sun. Modern replacement windows feature double or even triple-pane glass, special low emissivity, low UV coatings, and improved sealing technology. These innovations help reflect solar heat away from your home, keeping indoor temperatures cooler without overworking your air conditioner. Lower your cooling costs. One of the biggest benefits of replacing your windows is lower energy bills. Air conditioning accounts for a huge part of your electric bill in Miami. When your windows let in too much heat or allow cool air to escape, your AC unit has to run longer and harder to keep you comfortable. Energy-efficient replacement windows act like a thermal barrier, reducing the load on your cooling system. Over time, you'll notice real savings on your monthly energy bills. Reduced humidity and improved comfort. Besides the heat, Miami homeowners also have to manage humidity. Old, drafty windows can let moist air seep in, making your home feel sticky and uncomfortable. By replacing them with properly sealed, insulated windows, you can block out humid outdoor air. That helps your HVAC system maintain balanced indoor humidity levels, which means a more comfortable living environment all year long. Protect your interior. Florida's intense sunshine can fade your furniture, flooring, and even your curtains. Modern replacement windows often include UV blocking technology that helps protect your home's interior from sun damage. You'll still get the natural light you love, but without the harmful ultraviolet rays that cause fading. This means your investments in decor and furniture will last longer and look better over time. Add value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows don't just perform better, they look better too. New windows can instantly freshen up your home's exterior, boosting its curb appeal and resale value. Homebuyers in Miami know the importance of energy efficiency, so new windows can be a big selling point if you ever decide to move. Plus, you'll get the peace of mind of knowing your home is ready to handle the Miami climate. Sound reduction for peace and quiet. Living in a busy city like Miami often means dealing with traffic noise or loud neighbors. Modern window replacements are designed with advanced insulation properties that also help block out noise. That means more peaceful evenings and less disruption to your daily life. A smart investment for Miami homeowners. If you're still on the fence about window replacement, think of it this way. Energy-efficient windows work around the clock to protect your comfort and your wallet. They help keep your home cool, reduce humidity, protect your interior, and save you money on energy costs, all while increasing your home's value. In a climate like Miami's, this upgrade is more than worth it. Investing in energy-efficient windows is a smart move that will pay off in comfort, savings, and peace of mind for years to come.